Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Faisal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a PDF file using PHP code. So for this purpose, I'm going to use a PHP package that is called DOM PDF. So I'm sitting inside my PHP folder inside Sublime Text. Let's go to your browser and search for DOM PDF. Let's open the first GitHub link and we go to update or fix it. Okay, so this is actually the package. Let's scroll down to see the guide how you can download it. You can either clone it as well, but I will prefer it using Composer. So let's copy this command, go back into your PHP folder, keep pressing the shift key and right click any of the white area and open the command prompt here. Now let's paste it. So before running any Composer command, you need to check that Composer is already installed in your computer or not. When you hit enter, I can see all the available commands with the big Composer logo, which means Composer is installed in my computer. If it is not, and mostly it is not because it is not automatically installed, you just need to go to getcomposer.org and download it. It will download a simple exe file and it is just like the normal software installation. So when you install it, and now when you go to your command prompt and write Composer and you hit enter, you will see a big Composer logo with all the available commands, which means Composer is now ready to run. So let's paste that command right here for downloading that PDF library inside my PHP folder. It will take some time to download all the packages, all the requirements, all the Composer files. So I guess I will need to pause this video for a second. Okay, so now that all the files are now installed in my PHP folder, here you can see a vendor folder and a composer.json and composer.log file already created. So this is actually a JSON file where you can store all of your packages and just run a composer update command and it will automatically download all of the dependencies from the internet and paste it inside your vendor folders. Right now we have all of these installed and one of them are DOM PDF. So the next step is you need to scroll down and copy this line of code. Okay, so let's create a new file first where you can paste your code, and that file is PHP file. Paste that in here, save this file as generate underscore pdf.php. And the next thing is, let's go into your browser and what you need to do, you need to just scroll down and see the example code that is right here. So just copy all of this, paste it right here, and that's it. Now let's run this file in your browser and then we will see what this code is actually doing. Go inside your browser and search for localhost php and then generate underscore pdf.php and hit enter, and you will see a new file will start downloading. And let's open this file and you will see hello world will be printed out inside that PDF. This is actually a PDF file. Okay, so hello world is actually defined in here. So we are using a DOM PDF class. We are referring it with a namespace, and after that, because we have included autoload.php file from vendor folder, autoload is actually including DOM PDF library inside this folder. And now when the PDF library is included, we can use its class name as calling an object. So we are instantiating the DOM PDF new object and then we are calling its methods. So first one is load HTML. We are converting all of this text inside these commas. This can be anything, this can be HTML tags as well. So you can create a complete HTML page in here and that page will be generated inside this PDF. Inside this generated PDF you can set the paper size as well, After that, you are rendering and telling the browser that this page is actually a PDF type and we are downloading or generating a PDF in your browser. So you can pass a complete variable, for example string h2 my first heading, and then you can copy the string variable and concatenate the rest of your page in here. For example, div my simple text, and you can pass that string variable inside here. And now let's hit enter again. You need to write the address once more. Generate underscore PDF and hit enter. You will see a new file will be generated. Save, and after it gets done, okay, so my IDM looks like it is crashed. Okay, so it is taking a bit of time to fix the issue. Let's open it once more, hit enter, copy this URL and duplicate. Okay, so let's close this open file and now start downloading. And it is downloaded. Let's open it and you can see a complete HTML page is loaded inside this PDF page. So that's how you can generate a PDF files using PHP code, and you can actually create a complete HTML page using tables, using forms, or using any tag that you want to use, not forms, but you can use any tags inside this string or any variable that you define, and then load that variable inside this load HTML function. And this library, this package will automatically convert all of your code into a PDF page. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.